Hi Mai, hi Per. Congratulations to both of you and sending my best wishes from Philippines. First, my apology for not being there to celebrate and witness one of the most special moment in your life. Medyo layo-abi kami. And my message to you is, I hope that even from afar, I hope that you feel our love and support to you and to Per. And today is a new chapter of your life. You become a wife and soon you will become a mother. I know Mamang in heaven is watching over us with a big smile. Always know this, that you have always me in your side. You're forever 2-in-1, ate and kuya. If you have something, problem, something to share, or you need someone to talk with, don't hesitate to call me or to chat me. It is, I seldom to say this, but I love you so much and I missed you. And to Per, thank you for choosing my sister, for loving her, and for taking good care of her. I always know that you are not alone. You have family here in the Philippines. And thank you for building your life together with Mai. And always remember this to both of you, that marriage is not all about happiness. It's not all about building life, but it's all about understanding, loving, and caring to both of each other, and to build a family that Christ-centered. So that's only my message, and I can't wait to see you soon in the Philippines, very, very soon. I miss you so much, both of you. Sending my regards from Philippines. I love you, Mai. Thank you, Per.
Hello, Mai. Hello, Per. We are very thrilled upon knowing that you two will be getting married. We wish you both a happy life ahead, and we are very, very excited, looking forward to the days you will be coming back to the Philippines, of course, with hopefully with your kids with you.
Hi, Ate Mai, Kuya Per. We are so happy that you have reached another milestone in your life, which is going to be marriage. And we hope that you will be happy, that you will be healthy, and you will have more love to share for each other. And to Kuya Per, please take good care of our Ate Mai Mai, because we love her so much. And we know that we are far away, so I hope you will take good care of her, you will love her, and you will cherish her as much as we do here in the Philippines.
Hi, Ate Mai, Kuya Per. Congratulations to the both of you. And I'm so happy for you also, Ate Mai, because you finally met the one, right? The one and only in your life. I'm so happy for you, and congratulations.
Congratulations and best wishes.
We love you.